Jefferson County Court, L number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 2 cases. Both cases are Style State of Texas versus Samuel Hayden Falk. They are cause numbers M323-227 and cause number M332-425. Mr. Falk, your full name is Samuel Hayden Falk?
Correct.
How you doing, Mr. Falk?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Falk. You represented your cases by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's good. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Sarah Staub. Miss Staub, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Falk's cases?
There's going to be trials ultimately, Judge. I'm not sure. Well, it's going to take a while, I imagine, but I didn't realize till recently, even though I got appointed back in May. This case originated in Court 3, and it was transferred here.
Okay.
And then on an agreed order a couple of years ago, and back then Bruce Smith represented them, but then Bruce Smith withdrew. And they also had
a competency exam.
hearing.
He was found to have been competent.
Okay.
And so, but then it got transferred over here, and I don't know if it just took a while to get on the docket, and that's why I didn't get appointed till May. So anyway,
okay.
I'm working toward it, but my understanding is he doesn't want to. I don't even know if I have an offer, but my understanding is he wanted to contest.
Okay, so you're going to put it on trial docket? Okay.
Give us a long-winded explanation.
Yeah, give us a reset date. Put it on, set it for trial. Okay, this case will be set for them for trial on December 4th, 2023. Mr. Falk, your attorney is going to get your resets. Once you get your resets from your attorney, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay.
And
this is the only cases you have?
yes, Your Honor.
You're free to go as well. You have a blessed day. Mr. Paget,
Your Honor.
let's see.
Ms. Barrett, do you call, please?
You have
Samantha Barrett, Your Honor, on the pre-trial conference docket. Are you just good?
you see on pre-trial conference.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is cause number M333-568, case of Style of State of Texas versus Samantha Jackson Berry. Miss Berry, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Miss Berry?
I'm very good.
That's good, Ms. Barry. You're representing your cases by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Paget, what is your announcement in Ms. Barry's case?
Your Honor, we were prepared to dispose of the case this morning. However, Ms. Staub has made me aware that there is a possible criminal mischief in the pipeline right now. It's being investigated. So out of an abundance of caution, I would ask that you leave this case on your pretrial conference docket or put it on whatever docket you want to put it
We're
on.
gonna keep it here.
Okay, it will be disposed of, but just to be safe, they received it, I want to say in, you said
The very beginning of October, Your Honor.
October.
Oh, okay.
So it shouldn't take, it doesn't seem to me like it would take a long time for them to make a decision.
Okay, give us a reset date.
And I was just made aware of this morning. Which I'm thankful for.
Okay.
November 27th.
Okay, this case will be reset to November 27, 2023. Ms. Barry, your attorney will get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you so much.
Mr.
Right.
Kendall Anderson.
Yes, Your Honor, he is in drug impact court, so
Oh,
my intentions are to walk down there right now. I just need to check to see if some video discoveries in down there. And if we
Okay.
dispose of it, of course, we'll One way or the other, we'll be back down here.
Okay, that's
after
fine.
we're through.
You're free to go.
Okay.
All right, you have a blessed day.
Thank you very much. You won't let it get out of the way.
Chastity Eves, did she show up?
No.
Okay, we'll hold on it. Good Lord. Kyle Jackson,
Present, Your Honor. Nothing.
this is, he's right here.
Oh, stuck up on me.
Okay, this is cause number 23CCCR 0446. Case is style the state of Texas versus Kyle Anthony Jackson. Mr. Jackson, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Jackson?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Jackson. You're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Jack Lawrence. Attorney Lawrence, how are you doing?
It's fine, Your Honor. I have not had a chance yet. The prosecutor just gave me the proposed plea offer, and I have not yet had a chance to discuss it with the defendant.
Okay, so you like this case reset on the,
We could
you want me to hold on
maybe
it?
move it back about 20 minutes.
Okay, we'll hold. All right, just have a seat.
All right, and he and I'll sit on the back row.
Okay, y'all can, yeah. This Jackson. This is on the pre-trial, it's on the pre-trial conference docket page 2. I don't think the other person is here yet. I didn't have them more.
I'll be right back, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Says pressure fat.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What's your name?
Okay. Gabrielle Smith.
Okay, Ms. Smith, please put your mic on mute. And then when we call your
On
case,
mute.
you get off of mute.
What a mute. Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello? I can't hear.
Ms. Smith, this is,
Yes,
call
sir.
number this is cause number 23 CCCR 1636. Case is still, this case is style the state of Texas versus Gabrielle Smith. Ms. Smith, how are you doing?
I'm finding you.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Smith, you're representing your case by your attorney, Mark Faggett. Attorney Faggett is present in court. Mr. Faggett, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
And Mr. Faggett, what is your announcement in Ms. Smith's case?
Your Honor, we would like to withhold on an announcement. It's my understanding she has a pending felony here in Jefferson County as well. And we'd like to hold an announcement on that until we see what the resolution of the pending felony is.
Is that case set today?
I think so.
Yes, sir, but I'm stuck in traffic out here on Fudgers Road. So I'm on the other line with them trying to see, because it's saying I'm gonna make it there at least after 12 because the traffic's not moving. That's the reason I'm doing the Zoom. It's a bad accident.
All I can say is you need to let the felony court know that you're not going to
I'm
make.
on the line with them. I'm online waiting on hold. I have to wait till they say court started up there, so they don't know. She told me to wait on hold, and I'm on hold.
Okay, Your Honor, in light of her traffic situation, it looks to me like she made a good faith compliance to be in this court. I don't want to get out of my lane appearing in the other case, but I would ask that you reset this case on the same date the felony is reset.
State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Smith, this case is
Sir.
going to be reset on the same date that your felony case is reset to. Okay?
Okay.
Your attorney,
Yes,
your
sir.
attorney, your bondsman is going to be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. You're free
Do
to
you
go.
have my number?
Who?
I don't have his number. My attorney. Like this,
You
my
should-
first court date. This will be my first court date.
Let me ask you this here. Did you get a notice of reset with his name on it?
No, sir.
Were you in court? Have you appeared in court before?
When I came the first time, I never knew I had this charge, and they locked me up for it, and I went to jail, and then I got out, and this will be the first court date.
Okay.
So they
she-
told me I had court. They told me I had court for West. I never even had court for her. They was calling me
Okay.
down there because I had a warrant.
Okay, let me do this here. I'm gonna take you off of YouTube. And